Spiritual life does not start, nor does it end, with simply sitting quietly. When one engages in connecting to the divinity within, there are different aspects to this. It entails not only your own spiritual practice, your meditation and silence, but it entails connecting with your heart to the divinity within you, feeling the love that is your essential nature. It also involves training the mind to understand deeply the nature of your own existence. If your understanding is superficial, you will tend to think of yourself only as a body-mind individual, as an embodied person who is the experiences of the senses and the body. It is only when you inquire deeply and try to understand your eternal nature that you begin to see there is more to your existence than merely your physical form and your sensory experience of the world around you. When you study and learn, you prepare the mind to experience truth. Then when you have the experience, you understand. The mind can relate to, can comprehend, feels comfortable with the experience of non-duality, of divine consciousness. Otherwise, an unprepared mind with no conceptual base for this experience can become frightened by the new experience. So the pursuit of spiritual life takes education of the mind in the ways of spirit, in the deeper dimensions of your own existence. And it takes connecting with the heart, with love, with passion, with intention to your core self, to the divinity within you. And it also involves taking a positive attitude towards the people around you and the experience of your life. This involves doing service, giving to others, caring for others, loving others. Taking care of those in need or less fortunate than yourself. Caring about the world around you and the living beings around you. Doing what you can to make their lives better. This is a part and parcel of your spiritual path. Because if you cannot see yourself in another and realize that their suffering is a part of your suffering, that you are connected to everyone, to all the living beings in the world, then you lose understanding of your own self. You lose love and compassion. So it isn't developing through service, through self-inquiry and pursuit of wisdom, and through love, positive intention, and connection to the divine, that you begin to walk the journey of spirit towards your innermost divinity within you. To express this, the yogis of ancient times developed the paths of Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, and Karma Yoga, the path of knowledge, to train the mind, the path of love, to open the heart, Bhakti, and Karma, the path of service, seeing all as expressions of the divine self and living in service to that divinity in the form of all living beings. These three directional paths became the foundation of yoga.